Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 13, recover a deleted list. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go over onto the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Apps, scroll to Explore all the applications, click on Microsoft People. Now let's wait for that to load. And now what we will do is go to Your Contact Lists. We will create a brand new contact list. Let's just call this Hello. I may have to add a couple of email addresses, so let's just do that now. Let's just add the admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com, create. And now what we will do is click on the list itself, delete the list. Yes, we want to delete the list. Let's go to deleted. And we can now recover and restore this list if we wish to. If I further delete this list, delete, this will then end up in the recover deleted section. If I now click on hello, restore, go back to deleted items, go to your contact list, and there we go. The hello list has now been recovered after we had deleted it twice. It was in the deleted section and in the recover deleted section. So we can now go back to your contacts. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.